Apply it twice a week. Wrinkles on your face will disappear and you will look so much younger. Despite knowing that it is natural, wrinkles are not accepted by most of us. We all want them to disappear. There are many products on the market that promise to remove wrinkles, but not only are they expensive, most of them don't bring out the results they want. That's why today I show you this natural mask recipe. The results of this mask are incredible and you will stop thinking about using expensive creams to make your skin look younger and without wrinkles. Before going on to the recipe, we want to know your age and the country you are living in. Leave a comment below this video and we will provide the wrinkles removal recipes using natural ingredients available in your country. The first ingredient of this recipe is potato. Potato is a great ally to combat various signs of aging, as it is rich in vitamin D, antioxidants, and vitamin C. It is effective in preventing the appearance of wrinkles, fade dark spots on the face caused by sun exposure, and eliminate dark circles caused by insomnia. Now, take a potato and put it into a saucepan. Make sure you scrub the potato clean before. Next, pour cold water into the saucepan to cover the potato. Put the saucepan on the stove and bring it to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce heat to medium and cook at rapid simmer until the potato is tender. You can test this by poking the potato with a fork or knife. If the utensil slides easily all the way to the center, the potato is done. Then, remove the potato and put it in a strainer to drain it. Next, transfer the boiled potato into a bowl and mash it with a fork. Next, we will mix mashed potato with olive oil. Olive oil is rich in nutrients and fatty acids. This oil is extensively used in skin creams, body lotions, and even in anti-aging creams. This is because it has antioxidants, which help to remove the free radicals from the skin. Free radicals are believed to be responsible for the aging of the cells due to oxidative stress. Besides, olive oil increases cell turnover, making your skin look smoother and less wrinkles are formed. Now, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the bowl of mashed potato. Next, you need to prepare honey. The natural antioxidants present in honey help control wrinkles on your face. Applying honey on your face will help increase your skin's elasticity, thus making it look youthful and glowing. Honey also helps exfoliate the skin by gently removing the dead skin cells. This leaves the face with a brighter complexion. Now, add half a tablespoon of honey into the bowl. Finally, add half a tablespoon of rose water and mix the ingredients well together. Wash your face with warm water, dry, and then apply the mask to your face with your fingertips or brush. Let it sit on your face for 30 minutes. Then, wash the mask off and follow up with your typical skincare routine. Do this twice a week and wrinkles on your face will disappear quickly, giving your face a younger look.